like very high level, I think the game changed to making someone, a technical SME in the platform to like making someone feel confident in where they can find the answers quickly and speak to them with confidence. So that's where we shifted. Today for our onboarding, our team is invited to Guru on day one. And we have some exciting stuff in the future, but I won't jump too far ahead, Matt. So the team is invited on day one, becoming familiar with the app, how to search within the app. Then we go to we still use a slide deck for a majority of training just to provide a framework. Now in our lessonly, instead of housing a lot of that, kind of like stale content or like very stagnant, we've changed to linking out to Guru cards. So where the lessonly may, give context and describe when you would use it, it's still linking out to a resource that the team can find quicker and easier moving forward. We have a designated Slack channel for questions that come in, and this is, supported by Guru, and then answering tickets in week one with Guru by their side with our little extension. Yeah, so we work out of Zendesk, which love Zendesk to death. And with our Guru extension, you can see that it's going to suggest cards based on the content that's showing up within Zendesk. Our agents will open up the extension. They'll switch over to the correct support team collection, except Matt just taught us how to fix that issue. They'll ask their question and then keeping their Zendesk ticket open so they can continue to fill out fields or leave internal notes. They're going to start getting those answers on the side. You'll see we have the answer populating here, and then they grab it directly from here. They have other cards to reference for resources if they need them. And again, they can just keep moving in the system that they're currently in on the ticket, close it out, move to the next.